This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable restrictions on your iPad. So if you have some sort of content restriction on here, go to settings, go on the left side here and look for screen time. Here's screen time. Then go to content and privacy restrictions. Now we could completely just turn them off right here and we won't have any restrictions on our iPad, but this is going to require a passcode. So if we do have this turned on and we want to go ahead and just disable some restrictions or just change them, here's an example. We can go to installing apps right here, deleting apps, in-app purchases, just make sure this is allowed. So actually I'm going to turn off this one right here. Then require password, we can go to don't require, so we don't need that all the time. And then we can go to the different options down here, allowed apps and features. And then we can go to each individual category. So some of these allow you to change this based off of your age or the content. So if we go to TV shows, we can go to G or TV Y7. And then we can just go through the entire list. So here's nearby multiplayer. You can allow that or don't allow it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.